So unless I'm missing something, that's pretty much all of the windows. So now we just need to add the doors. So I'm going to go ahead and move this over, and truth is I can go ahead and delete it because we're done with the windows. And I'll go back to my plans and I'll look at my doors. Let's see, doors are 6 foot, 8 foot wood raised panel, glass insert, 16-inch transom, 1.5 foot window above the door. Okay, so one is, that's the front door. So I also have pre-saved doors for, let's see, certain builders. Yep, this is a wood door right here. So this is a pretty common wood door used in new construction in our area. And the more you do these, you'll develop your own catalog of sort. I'm going to drop that door in. I'm going to open up the property sheet and look for this door type right here. I'm going to change it to double door or double door reverted. Okay, and let me go back and look. That door is 6 foot by 8 foot by 8 foot. Did it give us a head height? Height 8 foot. Yeah, it's going to be 8, but there's 16-inch transom on top. So I'm just going to go ahead and turn this into a 9.5 because there's a 1.5 foot window above it. This is a wood glass door. Notice that our U value and solar heat gain coefficient 0.78, 0.56. This is a very common door used in kind of semi-custom new construction houses. It's a very pretty door, but it's not very well insulated. It's just a wood door, and so these numbers are going to reflect that. The higher these numbers are, the less resistant they are to heat. So that's done. And so our next door looks like we have 1, 2, 3 more doors. As far as I can tell, that's going to be it. All right, so let's pull back up our plans. Let's look at the doors. 15, 11, 15, 11, and 12. So 12 is likely just going to be a metal fiberglass garage door, pretty typical. But 15 and 11, 15 is a fiberglass raised panel with a glass insert. So we're going to say maybe like half glass there. Taking a guess, but also this one has a glass insert. So yeah, we'll do half glass on both of those. Let's see, where do I keep those? So in my catalog, I keep some pre-made glass as well. Here we go. Okay, so I have a kind of half glass wood door, but I also have half glass metal door, fiberglass. So I'm going to drop that fiberglass door in there here. And remember that we have a 20-foot horizontal projection out there on this one. It's an 8-foot door, so it's going to be a 2-foot vertical. I'm going to pull this back up, and 3 foot by 8 and 3 foot, they're both 3 foot by 8. Cool. So change my head height to 8 feet, change this to 8 feet. And if I want to make it look more like the plan, I can always change the opening, door type opening, right here. And right now it's opening top left, which means if I want it to look correct, it's going to be bottom right. Yeah. Is it? Don't know. That might be correct. That might be opposite. Let's do bottom left. Yeah, that looks right. All right. I'm just going to take this door and I'm just going to do the same thing I did with the windows. Control and then drag it and drop it. This one has a side patio. Take my ruler. See how far that projection extends. 5 feet. So I'm going to select that door again and do 5-foot horizontal projection. You should be following with me pretty good now because we've done this quite a few times. 3 foot by 8 foot door, 5-foot projection, concrete. Yep, and that's going to be it for that one. And then the very last door that we're going to draw is going to be the garage door. And for that's just a fiberglass door. There's no glass on it. So we're just going to draw a door using, oh, we drew a window. Okay, we're just going to select the door tool, not the window tool. And we're just going to draw a door 3 foot by 8 foot right here. Right click on it, select on the construction type and tell it what the material is. Most garage doors are the same. They're going to be no storm door, metal fiberglass core. Then you're just going to change the size. And down here where it says shaded, I like to go ahead and put yes, because it's very rarely ever hit by direct sunlight, which is what it's asking you when it says shaded. I'm going to change this to the bottom left, or no, bottom right. Make it look the same. There we go. And that's it. So unless I missed something, which I don't think that I did, that is, at this point now, you've drawn your house. You have installed all your walls, your ceiling insulation values, all your windows, and all your doors. So we're getting pretty close. We're almost done with the manual J. We'll pick up on the next section. Looks like windows, doors, roof, ceiling, and attic will be next. So we'll go ahead and cut here, and then we'll jump